President Bola Tinubu has flagged off the recitation of the new national anthem before a joint session of the National Assembly to mark the Silver Jubilee of Nigeria's Fourth Republic. The occasion coincided with the first anniversary of President Tinubu's administration. The old anthem, Nigeria, We Hail Thee, composed when Nigeria gained independence on October 1st, 1960, has replaced the Arise, O Compatriots anthem. President Tinubu, while launching the new national anthem, admonished Nigerians to join hands together in brotherhood to build the nation.
Represent our consciousness for freedom and sense of belonging. You rang out the latest national anthem. Nigeria will hail thee. See, this is our diversity. Representing all characters and how we blend together to be brothers and sisters. Without this house, probably I may not find a path to here. And that is why I'm giving that respect this morning to you, to please continue to collaborate, work together, build our country. We have no other choice. It is our nation. No one, no age, no other institution or personality will help us except we do it ourselves.
Sports, in the field of politics, in economic endeavors, we must hail Nigeria. And so we are all saying today, Mr. President, Nigeria, we hail thee. There is no better place to commence this revolution of going back to our genealogy than the National Assembly, made of very patriotic, not just representatives, but elected representatives of the people of Nigeria. The voice of the National Assembly is the voice of Nigeria. So we welcome you.
Bringing back our national anthem, the one that we grew up with. I'm talking about those of us who are above 50. And for the young ones, I'm sure by the time you sit down, read it line by line, word by word, you will see why it is very, very important for Nigeria to revisit its former national anthem. Because it inspires hope. It inspires hope. If we can follow to its logical conclusion, Nigeria will be a much greater nation. So
the President was in the company with Kashim Shettima, the Vice President Abdullahi Ganduje, and former Kano governors, among others.